looking at strollers, it's fun to understand what the different strollers are. Here's Bugaboo as an example, and we'll start with the Butterfly. The Butterfly is the ultra compact, folds all the way down and fits in the overhead compartment. Then we move over to the Dragonfly. The Dragonfly is a hybrid, fast fold, small compact stroller. Then you go to the Fox 5 Renew. Fox 5 Renew is a super elegant, great pushing, full versatile stroller. You can slide over to the Kangaroo, and the Kangaroo is a full featured stroller that becomes a double. We can add a second seat to it. And the ultra famous Donkey 5 is a single that expands to a double, and I can add 2 seats on it. There's a full lineup. You need to see what's important for you and make that decision around your lifestyle. Single to double, single or ultra compact. Liking this video and subscribing is really, really important. Call us at 877-82-2624 or email us at cs@bambibaby.com. We have 5 convenient locations for you to shop at: Miami, Florida, Paramus, New Jersey, Middletown, New Jersey, Long Island, New York. Comment below with any questions. Stay tuned to watch more videos like this in the future, and thank you for watching.